Hello everyone, I am Santaji Manikrao Kadam. I am intern in web and mobile development at Spark Foundation. I have completed my first task, which is basic banking system. So let's see the working. Click on the next, go to the admin. It will ask for ID password. After giving the ID password, click on submit button. It will appear on admin main page. You can see the different types of details: entry list, approval list, customer account, customer approval list. When we click the account type, detail entry, account name, they will ask. After completing this form, you can message will become, which is the message will means record is inserted after completing this whole procedure. When we it will show the record is inserted. Now you go to the account detail list, means it will show the different type of account: platinum, saving banks, SB account, SB diamond. Which you want to create, you can create. Now go to the customer approval, means admin give the approval, then it will show the customer account approved. Customer get approval from the admin. When we click the customer approval, customer account list, here you can see the different type of customer account list details. Go to the transaction list, here you can see the different type of transaction which done by the customers. Now go to the deposit entry. After completing deposit entry form, the record the message will become, means the record is inserted after completing whole procedure. See, you can see here the record is inserted, message will become. Go to back. Now log out. Again it will appear in main page. Go to the customer. If you are already existing customer, then you can directly log in. If you are not, then you create a new account. Yes, customer sign up for new user. After completing this whole procedure of this form, the record inserted message will become. After submitting the record inserted, it will tell your record is inserted. Go to the back, customer. If you are already existing one, then you can click here to log in directly. Now customer account number and the password. After complete the login credential, you can, if you are entering wrong password or ID, it will not directly it will not appear in that page. It will tell you to do the right ID, password and password and ID. Again admin ID and password. After this complete the login credential, you may go to the admin main page. After this, click on the customer account approval. After giving the approval from by the admin, then it will show the here customer get approval. Now click on logout again. I come to the customer. If you are already existing person, you can directly log in. So password is account, and account number and password is correctly, it will directly submitted. If you are not, it will tell you to do the correction in password and account details. You can see the customer main page, check balance, transfer money. If you are clicking the account detail, it will show the customer accounts detail here. Go back again. When you click the check balance, if your balance is not available, it will not show you the balance, how much balance is left. Go back again, it will show no balance. Log out, go to the admin. When you click the admin, it will ask for the ID password of which done by admin. Now here you can do the deposit entry, account number, what type of amount you want to enter, 9 lakh, 10 lakhs, 1 lakh, 5 lakhs. Do the transaction means like online you want to do net banking or check. After click on submit, it will show the message record is inserted. Now log out. Next, we'll go to the customer. If you are already in login page, it will ask for the ID password. After clicking, you appear on customer main page. It will show the how much balance left in your account. You want to do the transaction online for transferring money one account to another account, you can do. How much amount you want to transfer, you can transfer. Do the net banking or online transaction. After clicking the submit button, record is inserted. Good. And when you click back, it will come back again. Now you can see the how much money is left in your account. In the transaction list, the two customer will details will be show here. How many customer do the transaction, they will be add again and again. Log out from the customer main page. It will come again main page of admin home and